Have you ever wondered how those giant metal machines defy gravity and soar through the skies? Welcome to another video where we'll unravel the secrets of airplane flight. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a fascinating journey through the physics and engineering that make it all possible. What keeps an airplane in the air? The short answer is a combination of forces working together. But let's understand how it happens. Lift, the magic of wings. The shape of the wings is fundamental. The upper part of the wing is curved, while the lower part is flatter. This difference creates a difference in air pressure. The air passing over the top of the wing has to travel a greater distance, and therefore moves faster. The air passing under the wing moves slower. This difference in speed creates lower pressure above the wing and higher pressure below. This pressure difference generates a force called lift, which pushes the airplane upward. Thrust, the force that propels. For the airplane to move forward, it needs thrust. This is where the engines come in. They can be jet or propellers, depending on the type of airplane. The engines generate a force that pushes air backward, and as a reaction, the airplane is propelled forward. The more thrust, the faster the airplane goes. Weight, the force of gravity. Gravity is always pulling the airplane down. To fly, the airplane needs to generate enough lift to overcome weight. That's why airplanes need speed to take off. Speed increases the airflow over the wings, generating more lift. Drag, air resistance. Air also creates resistance, called drag, which tries to slow the airplane down. To overcome drag, airplanes are designed with aerodynamic shapes, which reduce air resistance. How do airplanes control flight? In addition to the four forces, airplanes have control surfaces on the wings and tail that allow pilots to control direction and altitude. Ailerons on the wings control roll, the rudder on the tail controls yaw, and elevators on the tail control pitch. And there you have it, an overview of how airplanes fly. It's an incredible combination of physics and engineering that allows us to travel through the skies. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.